guys, today we're going to do how to make a unique light and sound machine that can be activated with just a touch with your fingers. Let's get started! So here's how I've done it. I've combined Project 14 or SoundMaker and Project 83 off Test the Color Organ. So I combined the both so I can get a sound and light combination of some sort. Now let's get building.
Okay.
So the first step would be to get the first battery here and to place it here. Next, place three here. Press switch, flick switch here. So place this thing here. Place one of these here. Place one here, and place this here. Make sure it's off. And the next step would be to grab this 4 thing and place it here. And the next one would be placed here. The next step would be place the strobe IC and a one spacer here, a free here, the follow transistor, which is a thing that's unique. Place it here. And lastly, put the speaker here. Now, if you flick it on, when you make it, why is it not working? Oh, and also, lastly, make sure you connect one here. Now turn on the circuit. When you move towards the light, it should do a flashing sound. It should, the closer you are to a light, the higher pitch it would be. If that does not happen, retrace from here and see what you have done wrong. Now here is the next step. Place the color organ here. No, here. And place the battery. Wait, okay. Here, I think. Now, place 2, I think, here. And another 2 here. Now get a snap wire, place one here, then one here. Then place one here and one here. Now turn it on. When you hold on, if you hold on to this, why is it? I might need to backtrack.
Start. I forgot the combination.
It's harder than it looks, guys. Okay, I'll have to. Okay, I'm gonna be back so I can figure it out. I forgot it.
No, we want to see how you figure out things. So that's part of the experiment.
finally figured it out.
How?
So arrange the color organ like this. So it's
Just a
on-
second. Can you say it slower, please?
So first, arrange the color organ so that's in the center. Next, add the 2 snap wire here and here. Connect it overhead.
Can you speak a little bit slower, please?
Then get a snap wire. Place one end here and one end here. Then place the 2 snap wire here and the battery box here. Then get another snap wire. Place one right beside the on.
Can you show
and
it to us, please?
Another one on the minus of the other battery. When you turn it on, when you turn it on, when you hold one here, it can make a sound. It'll change color.
Wow.
And you can hold both in combination to make different lights. Now, get another exclusive fiber optic cable. Attach the light part.
Where did you get the fiber optic?
It's from the light set, which you can use only.
Is it from this set?
Yep. So you connect one here, and then attach the fiber optic together. You may notice that you have to push this in further because the cutter organ LED is not sticking as far.
Why?
Now turn on. I do not know why they created that. Now turn on. Nothing will happen
Why?
because the phototransistor is completely covered. Now put your left hand here
What's the purpose?
so you can make a thing. So you can make pass through the electricity and touch any one of these 3 ports. So that's how you do it. Bye!
Let's make a party. Go play something.
Okay.
Go sing something.
And this is just a funky experiment. There's nothing you can really use to sing with it. So, and also every time you readjust it, it won't make exactly the same tone.
Every time you readjust what, Han?
Every time you readjust the color organ, it could be a different sound because it's an improper attachment. So this.
Can you show us the different attachment, please? And speak a little bit slower.
You put your left hand here and your right hand here.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you mess around with this, it might be different. And hold different in combination to generate different tone. And hold left free to get a white. That's all you really need to know.
Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share down here to all you know. Bye!